Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set up, use, and install the Edge Faux Fapex sharpening system add-on that I designed for the Ruixin RX-008. First things first, right when you get your device, it's going to come off the printer in two pieces, the slider and the main body. The main body has options for magnets. I have one over here with them installed. And to do that, you can slide them in. If they don't fit, just wrap them in a bit of paper and jam them in. Now, to install the system is extremely easy. What you do is you make sure that your device is flipped over so that the flat plate is up. We don't want to be working with this side. We want to be working with this side. So all you got to do is start undoing screws. I've already loosened these beforehand, but you will be doing this from scratch. So you want to remove the big screws. The order isn't all that important. Once you remove both big screws, this aluminum bar will come out. Keep that, you're going to need it later. Then you can remove these small Phillips head screws. Put them to the side. And that's that. You take off the top plate, you return the Edge Faux Fapex. This is the one I previously set up with magnets. You install it the same way that you had the top plate in. So first you put in your Phillips screws. For this, the order is a little bit more important. You want to put in the screws first, followed by the bolts. So both screws, put them in nice and tight. You don't need to go real tight. You don't need to really force it in. Just because it's plastic, it will warp. Then you go in with the bolts. You put those in. Yeah, starting by finger maybe. There we go. And as for how tight you're putting it, you're going to want the plastic to bend slightly, and I'll show you what that looks like in a moment. So you go like that, and you can see the plastic is bending slightly, which is lifting up this edge. Now you're ready to go. You take your slider. Now, right when this comes off the printer, it may be kind of challenging to put into the slots. Just take it in and out a few times on each of them, and it should loosen right up. So you pick your depth. Now, the depth you pick is going to be based off your knife. For today, I'm going to be showing a demo with the Ontario Rat 2. So for this, I know that I want to go to the second dot. And my goal is to have the knife on there with the edge just hanging over. So actually, now that I look at it, I can even make it a little longer. Now, to do that is super easy. You just sort of twist back on the slide, just like this motion. Pops out, put in your knife, boom, the magnets hold it in place. Then you grab your stone, put it into the thing, and this is where you're going to adjust your angle. So you loosen this screw, play around with it, and you're going to fiddle until you get this at the right angle for your knife. Now, exact numbers are really not that important. You just want to match what you have. So you're going to do your strokes. To get to the tip, you can just tilt out the knife like this so you can reach the tip. And once you're done this side, flip it over, put it on the other side, and just keep going. Now, as with any sharpening system, it's going to take some practice. However, I really do like this because mainly the big benefit of it is that it's fast. Every time you clamp and unclamp a knife from the original system, that takes a bit of time. And if you're only doing 1 or 2 knives, yeah, that time doesn't really matter. But if you're doing 10, 15 knives like I used to do with my customers, then it really is nice to not have to clamp it in. Anyway, thank you for watching. That is how to use, install, and set up the Edge Faux Fapex sharpening attachment for the Ruixin RX-008. Thanks for watching.